Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your channel on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Begin by launching your WhatsApp application. Then tap on Updates. Now select your channel. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then select Channel Info option. Scroll down until you find Delete Channel option. Tap on it. Then tap on the Delete button at the bottom of your screen. To delete your channel, select your country from drop-down menu and enter your phone number. Once you are done, tap on the delete button once again. And this is how you can delete your channel on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.